Math Maniacs, it is Vanessa here from Math Mania, here to just tell you about a quick new little game we have that you might want to add to maybe some small group guided math centers or just some practice time during your math classes. We've made a version of Connect 4 multiplication. It is a very simple game to play. And as always, we're going to demonstrate one version. Right now, we're going to demonstrate products to 36. But we will make sure we know you work hard every single day to differentiate for your students. So we're going to try and make that a little bit easier by taking our template and changing it so that you can have different versions to play with the students in your class, probably with products up to 144. So we'll make a version for products to 81, and then products to probably 100, and finally products to 144. Go. All right, so Connect 4, as we mentioned, we know many of you are familiar with it. All you're trying to do is get 4 of your colors in a row. And so why I love our little math kit so much is I can just open up here. I have everything I need inside. I've got my double-sided counters. For this version, we're just going to use 6-sided dice, but you know what, 10-sided dice for when you decide to do a 10-sided version, or if you've got some students ready for up to 12 times 12, there's some 12-sided dice in here. So just everything is there that you need. Or perhaps you're playing at home, you don't have all the different dice. That's okay. You know what? Cards work just as well. Just pull out the cards. If you're wanting to do to 36, you would just pull out aces through 6s. If you're wanting to do up to 81, you just do ace through 9, and cards work just as well too. For the sake of the game today though, I'm going to be using our dice and our double-sided counters, and I'll put the rest of the stuff back in our math kit, move it out of the way. So what you do is you roll 2 dice, you multiply the numbers on the dice, which would be your factors, to find the product, which of course is the answer when you multiply, and then you get to place your number, your chip on the board. So here we go. 4 times 1, 4 times 1 is 4, so first player will be yellow and go there. Player number 2 would go 3 times 5, 3 times 5, 3 equal groups of 5 would be 15. So red is going to go here. Oh man, already blocking me. All right. 5 times 6, or 5 equal groups of 6, would be 30. So yellow is going to scan the board and put it here. So as you can see, unlike the product game that we demonstrated earlier, this one is a bit more of a game of chance, of you're not necessarily strategically choosing which numbers you're placing, but it's still a lot of fun and a great way to practice multiplication. So 6 times 1 is 6. And then play would just continue until one of them had 4 in a row. It could be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. So there you have it, Math Maniacs. There's our demonstration of Connect 4 multiplication.